Hi, I am Aravind from Bangalore, and I work as an engineering manager in one of the MNCs here. So there are lots of things, starting from how to create a presentation, what all techniques you can to make it a very successful one, how to balance your life. There are lots of techniques that Bishal is teaching us. So amazing one. So the reason I would say or I would recommend anyone to enroll in this program is because there are lots of information that you are going to get, a lot of information that I have never got anywhere else. There are lots of videos, there are lots of podcasts I have listened to, but this is amazing. A lot of information. Please join. I would highly recommend you to come and join it. 2 days, worth it.